Hello guys, I welcome you guys to my YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make this trendy bubu with pleating at the side and at the down part. So if I am using Ankara of 4 years, but I'm not going to finish the Ankara though, but I'm using 4 years for it. So if you have your Adire, you can also use it. This is the measurements you are going to be needing: the gown length, the bust measurement, the waist measurement, and the hip and the back. So let's go for the cutting. So like I said earlier, the measurements for the gown length is 40. So for the pleating, I'm going to be using 4 inches for the length of the pleating round. So what I have on ground now is, you will minus 4 inches from 40. It's going to be remainder 36. So you are going to join the shoulder with half inch. And you're also going to join the pleating to the down part with half inch, which is 37 inches for the full length of this Ankara on ground now. So what you are going to be doing, you measure your shoulder. The shoulder measurement is 14. 7. You mark your 7 here. So you are also going to be adding the sleeve, which is 14 inches. Don't forget that you are also going to be adding 4 inches to the side of the sleeve, to the tip of the sleeve here. I'm going to be adding 4 inches. So it will be, plus that 14 inches, it will be 18 inches for the sleeve length. So anything you have on ground here, what you are just going to be doing, just give it a little bit curve here. You know, this is my normal measurements here. Let me measure everything that I have here. This is 21 inches. That 21 inches is also coming to this place. We are going to connect it to the down part straight. So anything you have here, just curve it a little here to this place. So I've just cut it like this. Here. So for the neck wideness, I'm going to be using, you can use 4. Let me use 3.5. 3.5 by, it determines how you want to expose your bust. You can use 7 or 8. I'm using 7.5. You just connect it as V neck and cut it. So after doing that measurement, you just have to cut the neck. And so I'm going to be using this to cut the back. So now you will now cut out the back. Just have to cut out the exact curve that you did for the front. So for the back, you just, you know, this is the wideness of the front. Just come down by 2 inches for the neck deepness and 3.5 for the wideness. If you have your curve ruler, you can use it to connect it. Just curve it. So after doing that, you come down by 1 inches here for the shoulder slope. 1 inches for the shoulder slope is going to be connected back to the neck. Shoulder slope. So after doing that, you are going to be cutting out interface for it. You are going to be cutting your interface for it. After cutting that, I will now cut the pleating. You will make it, you know, I said 4 inches. I remove 4 inches for the length. You just cut out 5 inches to be pleated round. So after putting your interface, let me cut out the interface first. So I want to use this material to cut out the interface for the neck. After folding it this way, I'm just going to take your neck and place it on it this way. If you like, you can use your bias to turn it in. cutting it this way. This is for the back. Let me keep it aside. So after turning it, I will now join the two shoulder together. So let me go and join the interface together. So for this, I've used the remaining materials to cut out 5 inches by wide length, and I use all the material that is remaining for that side. So let me go and join the shoulder and show you guys the remaining video. So after joining the two shoulder and turning the neck with your interface, you can easily take your hemi gum and iron it down. You don't have light yet, but I will still iron it, so just iron it down. So for this now, we are going to bend. I've joined all this material that is left that is cut for that pleating. I've joined it, is very long, so just launch it. You are going to be pleating it here, round the body, before joining the two sides. So it's going to be having under bust rope. It's going to be having under bust rope. It's going to be having under bust rope. The length of the rope is 23 inches by 4 inches. Folded into two is 2 inches. So I now sew it, and I'm going to turn it out from here. So after turning it out, I will now measure my under bust. But let me first of all pleat it and come back for the completion of putting the rope at the under bust. So after attaching this side round, just pleat it round. You can see the way the dress is. What you are going to be doing next, you will take your clothes inside. Before joining the two sides, you are going to be attaching the rope to the under bust, to your under bust inside the clothes. So you are going to measure your under bust and just attach it. You know the center before putting it. So after that, you now sew the two sides. You now sew the two sides. You take your bust measurement. If your bust measurement is 40, and what you have here is 80, for example, maybe it's 80, you know that you remove 40 from 80, the remaining 40. So that 40 will be 2020. For example, I'm just using that for example. So thank you guys for watching my tutorial. See you on my next video. Bye.